Hi there! Today's video is a very short one, a very straightforward, trying to clarify a very typical confusion with two irregular verbs in English. The verb to feel and the verb to fall. If you ever get confused with these verbs, stay watching. Hi there, my name is Mónica and I am an English teacher in the south of Spain. Today I want to explain the difference between the verbs to feel and to fall, okay, which many times gives us headache when we confuse them in the present and the past, okay? So for example, let's start with the first one, the verb to feel. To feel, it's related to feelings, okay, and the past is felt, okay? So for example, you can say, today I feel happy, but then you can say, but yesterday I felt sad. So as you can see, feel is the present and felt is the past. Okay, so far easy, right? Now let's move on to the second verb, to fall. To fall means when you are walking and then poof, you end up on the ground. Caerse in Spanish. Okay, so this verb in the present is to fall. Okay, so you can say something like, my son easily falls because he's a toddler. Okay, a toddler is a baby that is starting to walk, learning how to walk. So you can say he easily falls, and fall is in the present, all right? Now, if you want to put it into the past, you need to change fall by fell. So for example, yesterday I fell down the stairs and broke my leg. So I fell is the past of fall. So what is the typical mistake? Where is the problem? The problem, I think, happens with the expression to fall in love in English, enamorarse. To say to fall in love, okay, caerse en amor, we say literally in Spanish, okay, gives a lot of problems because we are thinking about love, which is a feeling, and then we make the connection of feel. So what do we say? What do you say? You might say, I felt in love, okay? So last year I felt in love, but that is incorrect, okay? Because you need to use the verb fall in the past, caerse en el pasado. So you need to say, I fell in love, okay? No T at the end. So if you want to say, ella se enamora todos los meses, you would say, she falls in love every month, okay? So it's in the present because it's todos los meses, it's a regular action, okay? She falls in love, all right? Now imagine you said, cuando era pequeña me enamoré de Brad Pitt. True story. You might say, when I was young, I fell in love with Brad Pitt, okay? I fell and not I felt in love, all right? Well, I hope this explanation is clear and it really helped you make a difference between the two verbs. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it, and you can watch more videos over here, or you can maybe subscribe it directly here in this button. Take care and see you very soon in the next video. Bye!